Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Ripple General Counsel remarks CEC wants to remark the law. Stuart Alderoti suggests the lawsuit between the SEC and XRP may be drawing to an end. The CDC received approval from the court to be an amicus curiae in the lawsuit. The parties filed summary judgment motions in a bid to avoid going to a full trial. General Counsel at Ripple, Stuart Alderoti recently said that the lawsuit between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and Ripple Labs may be drawing to an end unless a federal judge decides that XRP violated any federal securities laws. At the same time, the Chamber of Digital Commerce (CDC) has also received approval from the U.S. Federal Court to be amicus curiae in the lawsuit. On Wednesday, District Judge Annalisa Torres granted the CDC's motion for leave to file an amicus curiae brief. On the contrary, Ripple on Tuesday objected to the SEC's suggestion that it may seek additional time and pages if another amicus curiae submit briefs. Ripple added that the SEC's reaction is another transparent attempt to further delay the resolution of this case and suggests the court should reject the plea. The SEC and Ripple filed summary judgment motions with the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York in a bid to avoid going to a full trial. Alderoti argued that Ripple does not fulfill the requirements set by the Hawaii test in the Supreme Court case. See, the test helps determine whether or not something can be deemed a security and therefore it is solely an investment contract. Stuart Alderoti further added, maybe the SEC thought they could send a broader message to the entire market, Alderoti said. But I think what they've learned is that if you challenge a well-researched company, that well-researched company can put on a very robust defense and really expose the SEC that what it's doing in this case is not applying the law. Alderoti concluded his statement by saying that the SEC is seeking to remake the law. The regulator is engaging in litigation behavior to further decide results rather than abiding by the law. The post-Ripple General Counsel remarks CEC wants to remark the law appeared first on Coin Edition. Decentralized blockchain Solana surpassed 100 billion transactions. Solana surpassed 100 billion transactions. Solana is at block head 137 with 3718 TPS and has a slot time of 496 ms. The number of daily transactions made by Solana grew to 40 million during Q2. Solana surpassed 100 billion transactions on September 22. At the time of writing, Solana is at a block height of 137 with 3,718 TPS and has a slot time of 496 ms, one mean average. Solana started its operations 2 years ago and has become increasingly popular in DeFi and NFT space. With the network providing cheaper and quicker options, Solana has become one of the competitors for Ethereum. According to Nonsense States of the Quarter report, Solana's daily transactions grew during the second quarter Q2, reaching a total of more than 40 million daily transactions compared to around 1 million transactions per day on Ethereum between April and June. Moreover, Solana's daily non-vote transaction displayed a considerable increase in volume as compared to Ethereum. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.